How to fix Ticketmaster not letting me sell tickets. Certainly, here are 5 steps to help you resolve Ticketmaster issues when you can't sell tickets. Solution 1. Reinstall the Ticketmaster app. If you're using the Ticketmaster mobile app, uninstall it and then reinstall it from your device's app store. Sometimes, issues can be resolved by reinstalling the app. Solution 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. If you're using Ticketmaster's website, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Cached data can sometimes interfere with the ticket selling process. Solution 3. Contact Ticketmaster customer support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Ticketmaster's customer support. They can provide specific assistance based on your account and the event you're trying to sell tickets for. Solution 4. Check event restrictions. Ensure that there are no specific restrictions for selling tickets to the event you're trying to list. Some events may have limitations on resale, and it's important to review the event details. Solution 5. Verify your account information. Double-check that your Ticketmaster account information, including your payment and contact details, is up to date and accurate. Outdated or incorrect information can sometimes lead to issues with ticket sales. These steps cover a range of potential solutions to address Ticketmaster ticket selling problems. If you've tried all of these and are still encountering issues, don't hesitate to contact Ticketmaster's customer support for personalized assistance. I think you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.